Hello, baby. I just wanted to tell you that I made a video for you, and I hope you like it. Don't take it seriously. I already told you that I want to make you smile and I want to make you laugh, and I'm sure you will laugh because I think I will make fool of myself right now, but it's okay. Never mind, I have to make some things up with you. So here it is, and tell me if you like it or not. Okay? Mwah! Here it goes.
Living my life in a slow hell. Different girl every night at the hotel.
You should be singing this song.
The sun shining 3 damn days. Been fueling up on cocaine and whiskey. Wish I had a good girl to miss me.
You have a good girl who misses you?
Lord, I wonder if I'll ever change my way.
He doesn't know, babe, and I don't know too.
I put your picture away, sat down and cried today. I can't look at you, I'm lying next to her.
No, you can't, babe. Absolutely
I
not.
put your picture away, sat down and cried today. I can't look at you, I'm lying next to her.
I called you last night in the hotel. Everyone knows, but they won't tell. But their half-hearted smiles tell me something just ain't right. I've been waiting on you for a long time, fluent up and horsing to sweet wine. I ain't heard from you in 3 damn nights. 3 damn nights, Casey. I put the picture away. I wonder where you've been. I can't look at you while I'm lying next to him. I put your picture away. I talked to her. I forgot the lyrics. I can't look at you while I'm lying next to him. Saw you yesterday with an old friend.
It was the same old same, how have you been?
Since you've been gone, my world's been dark and gray.
Reminding me of brighter days.
I hoped you were coming home to stay. I was headed to church.
I was about to drag you away.
I thought about you for a long time. Can't seem to get you off my mind. I can't understand why we're living life this way. I found your picture today. That's where I changed my ways. I just called to say I want you to come come back home. I found your picture today. I swear I'll change my ways. I just called to say I want you to come back home. I just called to say I love you. Come back home. I love you, Casey. Mwah.